have made money online in Nigeria. You can too. Whether you are a freelancer, full-time employee with a major corporation, a stay-at-home mom, a university student, or a job seeker, there are several ways to make money online in Nigeria with little or no capital investment. One of the great things about the internet is that it's such a great way to get into business for yourself. No matter where you live, as long as you have an internet connection, you can always make money online. In this video, we'll be sharing some easy and legit ways to make some extra cash in your spare time. 1. Publish books online. Okada Books is an online website in Nigeria that makes it fast, easy and free to publish books online. This is not limited to books alone but also short stories, reviews or anything worth reading. The best part is that Okada Books allows users to monetize each book published, which means you get paid when any of your publications are downloaded or read. 2. Sell designs and creatives online. Do you have some basic design experience? Printivo Online Store is a marketplace that allows anyone to upload and sell designs to customers. Each time a Printivo customer makes use of your design or orders a print with your design, you get paid 15% of the value of the design by Printivo. 3. List on property websites. Do you know of any property available for rent or building for sale in your area where you live? You can always earn a quick agency fee by posting available properties in your area on property websites such as Tolit, Jumia House and Private Property. All you have to do is to register as an agent and you are good to go. 4. Start a blog or a vlog. Yes, good old blogging is still chugging along in 2017. By providing valuable content on a regular basis, you attract like-minded prospects who are interested in information and products related to your niche. The more traffic you have, the more money you can make by monetizing your blog. For vlogging, you can get started by creating a YouTube channel as a platform for distributing your video contents. 5. Sell on e-commerce websites. Another legit way to make some extra cash online in Nigeria is by selling on e-commerce websites. Jumia, Konga, Payport are all e-commerce websites that allow a merchant to list and sell products online for free. This list of websites exposes your product to a huge chunk of online audiences that you will not be able to access offline, making it easier and faster to sell and make more money online. 6. Affiliate marketing. If you've got a good presence on social media or perhaps you even have a blog or website, you can start bringing in money immediately by promoting all sorts of companies, products, services and offers online. You can even apply to affiliate programs of some notable brands in Nigeria such as Konga and Jumia Affiliate Program. 7. Offer professional services online. Another way to make quick and legit money online is by freelancing. Most freelancing websites allow you to leverage your skills to earn some quick cash online. Common skills in demand for online services like these include content writing, social media management, website design, graphic design, search engine marketing, etc. 8. Become a virtual tutor. Another way to make money online is by teaching others what you know. You can become a virtual tutor and engage in one-on-one tutoring sessions or even host webinars to help people directly with any number of topics. Nigerian websites like Tutors Ing allows users to monetize their knowledge by creating online learning materials for others in need of specific knowledge. 9. Online surveys. An increasingly popular way to make money online in Nigeria is to fill out online surveys. This can be done in your spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of filling online surveys, you can make some quick cash as a reward. 10. Apps and websites testing. The main aim is to improve online experiences for everyday internet users. Internet companies are always looking for real people like you to test out new or existing mobile apps and websites so that website owners, coders, and designers can see and evaluate the obstacles that real people experience with their products. Most of the companies reward the testers in cash for each app or website tested. Check out user testing. These online business opportunities should give you plenty of ideas for making money online in Nigeria. Take what you've learned from this video and start testing your own ventures. It will take some hard work, but it'll be well worth it when you find yourself on the road to financial freedom in a very short while.